SmartLAP. Unlock the power of AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartLAP, where we simplify AI and tech for you. Today, we're diving into what is ChatGPT, a simple beginner's guide, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. If you love learning new tech skills and want to master tools like ChatGPT, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. You've probably heard a lot about ChatGPT lately, right? But what exactly is it? And how can it actually make your life easier? Stick around, because today we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. Let's go. In simple words, ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. Think of it like a super smart online friend. You type a message, and it replies instantly, almost like talking to a real person. But ChatGPT isn't just about conversation. It can write, summarize, explain, brainstorm ideas, and even solve coding problems. It's trained on millions of books, articles, and websites, so it knows a little bit about almost everything. Before diving into the video, let me give you some tips. Always remember, the more clear and detailed you are, the better and more useful the response you'll get. It's like giving directions. If you're vague, the answer will be vague too. Start simple, then add details. If you overcomplicate from the beginning, you might confuse the AI and yourself too. Think of ChatGPT as your creative partner, not just a tool. The better you work together, the better the results will be. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the best answers come from trying different ways to ask your question. The magic behind it is simple but powerful. Every time you type a question or a command, ChatGPT analyzes your words, understands the context, and then generates the best possible response. For example, if you ask, "Write me a short story about a cat in space," it will literally invent a fun story for you in seconds. And here's the key: the clearer your question or request is, the better and more accurate the answer you'll get. Honestly, almost anything. Here are a few real-life examples. Students, summarizing lectures, writing essays, or preparing research proposals. Employees, drafting professional emails, creating presentations, or generating reports. Content creators, writing YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, or TikTok video ideas. Everyday life, planning trips, finding gift ideas, getting diet tips, and more. ChatGPT isn't just smart, it's a productivity booster if you know how to use it right. Before you jump in, here are a few quick tips. Be as specific as you can when asking a question. If you don't like the first answer, no worries, just ask it to rephrase or improve it. Always double-check important information. ChatGPT is smart, but it's not perfect. And that's a quick introduction to what ChatGPT is all about. In the next video, we'll walk step by step through how to create your account and start using ChatGPT like a pro. Don't forget to let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you want to try with ChatGPT? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what's the first thing you want to build with AI. See you in the next one.